Full Phantom review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this expert advisor which trades on gold XAU USD. So right now you can see that we are on their listing and we have the description, but you must be also seeing below it says grow your account 27% per year. That is not with this EA, that is with my EA. So if you are new to my channel, if you don't know about this, then make sure you subscribe, like and share first. And below the video you will click on these links. The first link says swing trading on automation. So if you want to automate Forex trading, not just gold, then check out the first link below. Come to this page after entering your email, and then you can watch this video. Okay, so this is my own EA which I am giving. So in case you are interested in automating the Forex trading, then you can visit this page. You can check this video first here. You can see how these trades were taken automatically by the EA. And bare minimum, you can grow your account 27%. And we are giving you 5 years of money back guarantee as well, because we want you to use it for 5 years. Okay, so coming back to this EA here. Now this is on gold. So the price currently is 449 USD for Gold Phantom, and it says the final price will end up like 990, and this is only for gold. So built upon the highly successful foundation of the Gold Reaper, this and that, and let's check their strategy. So laser focused on the breakouts of major support and resistance levels, the kind that actually matter. 9 brand new independent trading strategies never released before, H1, H4 and daily time frames, blah and blah and blah. Okay, so simply run on XAU USD default settings, time frame 1 hour, blah blah blah. Minimum money required will be $300 to deposit, and VPS you will need, I guess. Okay, and these are all the parameters you will get. These are the display settings, what you will see on the details panel in the EA. But anyways, let's check the reviews quickly here. So reviews comes here, and 1 2 3 4 5. So these are those enough reviews. All right, so you can read all these, you can pause the video. So it says, I think this EA is one of the most robust WIM has ever developed, and 5 stars here, 5 here, 5 here. So people are making money. I would like to point out one thing here. In gold, I think if you are smart enough, okay, if you're not even a full-time trader, but you're tech savvy, and if you're smart enough, and if you can do your own research in trading, then gold is not a rocket science. Gold had been in the uptrend since last 4 or 5 years, I guess. Okay, so gold has been going up in last 4 or 5 years. So it's not a rocket science to trade gold. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Everybody knows price is gonna go up. We are, since Russia has started the war with Ukraine and then Middle East, and then we know what's happening around the world these days. The situation is not good across the globe. Okay, so trading gold in last 4 years is not a rocket science. Everybody knows, when the price goes down, you buy, and you book your profits when the price comes back up. So if somebody is selling a gold EA, well, yes, you could make money with it if they know what they're doing. The only thing I'm talking about is I'm talking about the real expertise. Okay, because I trade gold. I myself is a full-time trader. So coming back here, and if you check my charts, you see I have like 20 pairs on my chart already. And about my trading skills, if you go and watch my channel, you will find a playlist there which says analysis videos. Okay, so this is a weekly candle which you see on Euro USD right now. When Monday was, if you go and watch my last Sunday video on these analysis, I told that this week is going to be the week of liquidity grabs and stop hunts. So I told that on Monday that what's going to happen by Friday. And that's exactly what happened. Now, the point being here is that anybody can guess or make money by luck or by gamble in gold or silver. Okay, everybody knows gold is going to go up. It's no hidden truth, right? We know gold is going to go up. Even for next 2 years, 3 years, gold is going up. We know it. All you have to do is find a low entry. So when the price comes down, you buy, and when the price booms up, you book your profits. Okay, so trading gold manually or with the EA is not rocket science. Any newbie can do that if they're tech savvy and if they can do their own research. Okay, the point being is your expertise are tested when you go and develop something which makes profits on more than one instrument, on multiple instruments. Okay, so my EA, which you see right now, if you click on the first link below, you can use this coupon code as well to get the $250 discount. And go and watch this video first, okay? Because in this video I have explained multi pairs. You can see all these pairs which were profitable across 5 years. Okay, so I have back tested all these pairs with aggressive lot size, and my EA has survived for 5 years. And you can and we will recommend you the least lot size which you will be using in the real account. Okay, I was doing back testing with the aggressive lot size, which you will not use, which I will never recommend you to use. I will tell you what exactly lot size to use. Okay, and this pair is this EA is tested on 4 different forex pairs and successful for 5 years. Okay, so this shows the expertise of the person who is creating this EA, which is me by default, which means I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so if you want gold phantom for whatever reason, you can go and get it if you want to. Otherwise, if you want to grow your money 27% per year, now 27% per year could be a lot of money for some people, could be nothing for some people, because it depends how much risk you take. Okay, for example, if you talk a stock trader, if you talk with a stock trader, in stock trading you don't get 27% per year. They will be more than happy. They will be more than happy to get 27% per year returns in stock trading. Okay, so here I'm saying that this will minimum make you 27%, and that's across 5 years. Okay, so I'm giving 5 years money back guarantee as well, because I want you to run this system for 5 years. Okay, that's the reason. Anyway, so gold phantom is something you can try if you want to. If you have spare $500, you can try gold trading, but don't think about getting rich. Trading takes time. Okay, everything takes time. It's just a proper business. And go and try this if you want to. But if you want to, let's say, try other trading methods as well, if you want to automate forex trading, then you can check out the first link below and get my EA and watch this video first. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.